Okay, so I've got my thread, and to start, you start at the end of it as well. Pull the needle, make a little loop to reinforce it, of course, so it's not gonna go anywhere. And pretty much that's what you will be doing. You will be taking a little bit at a time. Make sure to go with the thread around it and pull. It's like a buttonhole stitch. And that's what you do it. You can go zigzag, but I find this way much easier. See? And then you're keeping all the fabric nice and secure. You know, if you're a beginner, most likely you will want to do it slowly, and then always make sure that thread goes under your needle. See how it is? And then you've got that connection, the chain connection going on, so no fabric should become loose. Once you get a little bit more advanced, you will just go this way, and your needle would automatically follow the thread at the top. See, it's not hard, it's quite easy. Hope you can see it well. And pull, loop, and pull. There's no shortcut for this one, so you actually have to go slowly. To make sure you get all any loose thread that already are there, you get them under control. So yeah, this is a technique for beginners. Once you have the zigzag machine, or you have the search machine, you can use the other machines to do it for you. For sure, this would be a time saver, but when you don't have it and you're forced to do it something to sew by hand, this is an easy way to learn how to do it. And that's it. This is how you make it. Very easy. And that's how it looks inside. Perfect. You can make your dress now. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please make sure to share it and subscribe.